Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Super Simple Fixes. Following up on the theme of filters this week. Right now we are looking at a GE dryer. And the dryer has a lint trap. And in this particular one, the lint trap is down by the bottom front of the loading door. And it just pulls right out like that. And you can see this one's pretty clean, but if it's not, you can go outside, shake it out, or wash it out real quick and bring it back in here. Just pop it right in there because you want to clean out lint trap. It is a fire hazard, so you want to make sure that that's all clean. Most of the time you'll see lint traps like around here or here. There's going to be like a little door that's gonna where you can actually pull out the lint trap, and you'll see how much lint is in there. But make sure you do that every time after you pull out your dry laundry. All right, that's it. This one's really simple. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.